Alright, so we discovered we do have to take the whole speaker out to get it, because there are some screws under there. Recon kit. That's alright. Got it out. We got the little 20-volt Craftsman doing the job. Impact. Okay. Well, there it is, folks. Now, I'm gonna have to help pull this thing out, because it's like 85 pounds of nastiness. See if my brother can get it.
Alright, it's gonna be the blooper of the day.
Don't send it through the wall though.
I need a screwdriver or something. Trying to be funny. Okay, I got it.
Oh, okay. My bad. There he goes. He
This.
says he got it.
Oh, never mind. I can't put my fingers through that.
Yes, he can. Right here. On the edge. It's just real tight fit.
It's a real tight.
There it is. Oh, nastiness. Okay, and the screws we were missing. Right there. You see them? Alright, folks. Took some paint off of my stuff trying to take off the cone without it, but that's alright. Alright. We'll be back with y'all in a little bit.